Okay, this is going to be our focus. Just kind of show you what's, I think it's called Zhuhai Estalagens, and we're kind of at this little spot right here. This kind of goes up into San Malo and Senado Square. Kind of want to get around that truck, but I think we might not be able to. Okay, so this is kind of goes up into San Malo, and you kind of got this cool little window right here. So if you're in that Senado Square area, you can just kind of meander down this way a little bit. Got some Macau tourist stuff. We're going to be heading down that way. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna be heading down this way. Yeah, kind of Macau tourism stuff. It's up all the ruins. And we're gonna be heading, I guess, towards Hong Kong Temple. But we're not gonna go all the way that far though. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little building right there. Okay, let's just walk on down. Nice dense area, vending machines. Curtains, I guess. Yeah, to the left there's a parking garage. It used to be had this really cool murals everywhere, but that's now it's just a parking garage. This one. Yeah, it used to be like this really colorful. This is all like painted with all kinds of cool stuff. They painted over all that, and had like a park in there. You can sit and benches and a little play area as well for kids. But all that's gone now. Doing some construction. They got some old kind of style stuff here. Don't even know if this is even used anymore. Probably not. It looks like it's just in storage right there. Fire hydrant. Okay, Hennessy Lianqing Liquor Company. There's little alleys in here, as you can see. Slut. Oh, okay. Let's see, maybe we'll kind of try to go around here a little bit. So yeah, I don't even know the name of this street, but I know Pont 16 is straight down that way. Here's some alleys. I always like this one. I have definitely been in this area before. And down that way there's a little alley. Kind of goes towards some bathrooms and stuff in that way. Why don't we just take it? That's Beco de Pinga. I have filmed in here before. And it's a little side street, but it's kind of interesting. There's people that play mahjong down in here. And so yeah, here's the yeah, so it's kind of cool too, this little place. They feed cats in this area quite a bit. And right in here, there's a place where they play like mahjong all the way down that way. Got this kind of cool looking street. I'll play down in this area, but it looks like it's kind of quiet right now. And then you got this kind of stuff over here. We're just kind of meandering now. Cabeza de Dona. Kinds of cool stuff everywhere. And that looks like a cool apartment up there. Dang. Okay. I don't want to get too off of our side street. This is kind of a cool little space. I wonder if we can go I wonder if we can go back to our street, kind of by meandering a little bit. I think we can. But anyways, maybe it kind of shows you. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's interesting. Kind of shows you how much stuff is in the alleys, right? So the park in the alleys too. Kinds of cool stuff. So I think our main road is straight this way, the one that we were on before. If not, we got a little turned around, and that's okay too. Let's just see. I think it is. I think we went down that straight right down that way, and then this is back to the main road that we were just at. I think. If we're not, I think maybe we're not yet. Beca de Rosa. Definitely some interesting stuff down there, and some more interesting stuff down there. And our main road is straight ahead. So we're going to connect back to the road that we were on. Then we'll continue with our street focus. Travessa do. So this is kind of the kind of stuff that we're at. Yeah, this is the street that we're on. And let me just see if we can find a street sign. But this is the street that we were on because we started down that way. I don't see the street sign though. But you can see, like, if we get off the street a little bit, there's all kinds of interesting alleys and different stuff. Let's go a little bit further. And down at the end, there is a temple, so maybe we'll just end at that temple. And by then we should find the name of our street as well. Okay. I don't know if we were behind that lady or not earlier. Feels like we might have been. And now we got a park right here, and we're at that street. So that's where we're just walking just now. And we came out at this little space right here. You got some kind of cool stuff right there. You have a nice park everywhere. Got some nice murals all the way along that way. And that's a temple. So originally when it said that there was a temple over here, that was basically it. Jump over this thing. And I heard from a friend of mine this is a Taoist temple. That's what I heard. Don't know if it's true or not, but that's what I heard. I think my friend was talking to one of the monks. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's Rua de Estrellan. Send it there.